Just power down the stuff we don't need. That sounds good. Just any electronics we don't need, you can power them down. Yeah, I know. See you in a bit, babe.
We're headed back to Green Turtle Cay today, saying goodbye to Man Jack Cay. Time to move on, guys.
It's a little breezy. It's like gusting to 25 right now. Not bad. It's just kind of overcast. It's still the end of that front. First time Holly and I have done this, just the two of us in a little while.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah, so.
It'll be fun.
Yeah, it'll be good.
We are the Chase fam, and we bought a 42-foot sailboat with very little sailing experience. We are on a journey to nowhere, enjoying life with our boys aboard Kaizen. Join us as we explore this beautiful world. We're getting ready to weigh anchor and head to Marsh Harbor. Today is going to be the day to avoid the rage. Anyways, I'm a little nervous.
How you doing? Good? You look good. Should pass us any minute. The staysail looks horrible. Yeah. Try again. All right. There we go. Much better. Yeah. Now, I'm gonna come up into the wind and drop the main. Okay. Yeah, baby.
This place is the perfect place to check out things. Look, islands, cool islands that are like literally super tiny. This is my pond. Look at your pond. It's
So we're getting ready to go into town to Provision here in Marathon. There's a grocery store there that we're gonna go by that has a good selection of decently priced food. So we're just gonna provision up really well. Dallin got diesel with Michael this morning, and yeah, I think after that we're gonna have moving, which is today. Get a move on. It's like Dallin said, it's kind of a war zone. It got hit by Dorian 3 years ago, so they're rebuilding, but very slowly. It's fairly sad and devastating. So, and anchoring here was kind of wild because there's all sorts of debris still on the bottom. Dallin's weighing anchor right now. We're getting ready to head to Hopetown to anchor for the night. Neutral! You can hear me shouting to the captain. I'm at the helm while he's raising the anchor, and we'll get going.
And then you'll probably want to scoot back a little bit because when I pull this out, that white line's gonna go kind of quick. See how they're both like that now? So as Mom steers us, the shape of our wing needs to be just a little different. So we're tuning the shape of our wing right now, so it's as efficient as it can be. In this next video, we explore Hopetown and the lighthouse there, and we make our way to Tahiti Beach.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, we love to read your comments. We read every single one, so please leave a comment down below.